High up in the trees, where the wind whispers through the leaves, a tiny bird gets to work. This is the Baya Weaver, one of nature's best builders. With just its beak, the male gathers fresh grass and strips of palm. Carefully, it weaves each strand, twisting and looping them into place. What looks simple is actually a clever design, crafted for strength and safety. Piece by piece, he builds a hanging nest. It sways gently in the wind, but it's strong, made to protect the next generation. This nest isn't just a shelter. It's a display of skill and patience, made to attract a mate. Every strand tells a story of hard work and determination. Day after day, he weaves and tests his creation, shaping a home that will stand up to rain, wind, and time. And when it's finished, it's more than a nest. It's a masterpiece, a symbol of nature's genius. And when the structure is finally complete, it becomes more than a home. It's a testament to nature's genius and one small bird's extraordinary legacy. The Baya Weaver, tiny bird, mighty builder.